Hello and welcome back to my channel Learn with Nikhil. So here we have taken in another sum of projection of lines. If you want to understand the basic concepts of line and understand all its type, refer to my video lecture. It's there in the description box. So now moving towards the sum, the question says a line PQ 40 mm long is parallel to vertical plane and inclined at an angle of 30 degree to horizontal plane. Further it says the lower end P is 15 mm above horizontal plane and 20 mm in front of vertical plane. Draw the projection of line. So this is the line PQ 40 mm long. This is the vertical plane and the horizontal plane. So this line, I'll assume it as 40 mm long and it is parallel to vertical plane, so it can be either like this or like this. It further says it is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to horizontal plane. So this is the quadrant, this is the horizontal plane, and this is how its inclination will be. So in the front view, it will be inclined at an angle of 30 degree. Further it says the lower end of P is 15 mm above HP. So this height is 15 mm as it is above HP. So 15 mm and 20 mm in front of VP. So it is 20 mm. So from the top view, so from front view, this distance is 15 and the 20 mm length will be visible from the top view. So it is in front of VP. So this is how the line is inclined to horizontal plane and this distance will be 20 mm. So this distance 20 mm. So we'll draw it step by step. So as the question progresses, we'll draw it. So this is how the line will be from the front view. This distance is 15 mm and it is inclined at an angle of 30 degree. So first we'll draw the axis. As we only want to draw the front view and the top view, not the third plane. So I'll draw the axis larger on the left side where we'll draw a figure. So this is center axis O, this is XY, this is X dash, Y dash. This is a vertical plane and this is the horizontal plane. So it's the slant line. This distance is 15. So first I'll mark a point 15 above. I'll write it as P dash. Now we have to draw an angle of 30 degree as it is inclined to the horizontal plane. So I'll draw a straight line, parallel line, and through that line I'll draw an angle of 30 degree. This is 30 degree and join this lightly. Now length PQ is 40 mm. So I'll mark the distance 40 mm and make it dark. So this distance is called as a true length or the actual length, that is 40 mm. This will be Q dash. Now I'll take the projections of P and Q downward in the horizontal plane or in the top view. So I've drawn the parallel line. This angle is theta, that is 30 degree. So this is the front view. Now top view, as we know, it is in front of vertical plane. So this distance is in front of vertical plane and 20 in front of vertical plane. So this distance is 20. So we'll mark a point 20 below. So line will be like this. So first we'll mark a point below 20. We'll draw a parallel line. As you see, the length is smaller than the actual length of the line as it is slanted. So slanted from the top view looks small, and this length is also called as the plan length. So this distance is 20. This distance, which is above HP, this is 15. And this is the actual length, that is 40 millimeter. So in exam, any type of dimensions can be given. If you know the basics, you can do it. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next lecture. If you have any doubts, any queries, let me know in the comment section.